Hi, I'm Alia. Welcome to Real Life Economics, where we turn simple ideas into powerful life changes. Stop working harder, it's keeping you broke. If effort made people rich, construction workers would be billionaires because they work harder than almost everyone. But here is the truth, money doesn't follow just hard effort, it follows a different set of rules, and almost no one teaches it. Today, I will share 7 powerful truths about money that can change your life. Starting with the first fact, money doesn't care how hard you work, it cares how smart you use it. Most people believe if I work harder, I will earn more. But in reality, some people work 12 to 14 hours a day and still struggle, while others work fewer hours and earn far more. Why? Because money rewards strategy, not just effort. For example, a factory laborer works all day physically, but earns a limited income. A business owner or investor uses system, using money to generate more money. Studies show that income growth is tied to decision making and financial behavior, not just hours. As Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So work hard, but also learn how money works for you. Second fact, no one teaches you about money. You must learn it yourself. In school, we learn math, science, and history, but no one teaches us how to invest, manage income, avoid debate, or build real wealth. This isn't just a problem for you, it's a global issue. Even in developed countries, financial literacy is shockingly low. Research says many adults cannot answer even basic questions about interest or inflation. That's the why books like Rich Dad and Poor Dad become so popular. They teach what schools don't. The truth is simple. If you don't learn about money, you will always depend on others. But you can start today. Read books, watch videos like this, and learn from real life examples. The fact number 3, saving alone will not make you rich. You must invest. Saving money is important. It is not enough, especially because of inflation. If you keep cash at home or in a low interest account, it slowly loses value. Let's look at a real life example. A few years ago, $100 could fill an entire trolley of groceries. Meat, veggies, dairy, everything for a week. Today, that same $100 barely covers a small bag of fruit. The money didn't change, but its value did. That's why rich people don't just save, they invest and they reinvest. The key point is simple. Saving protects money, but investing grows money. The fact number 4, your income depends more on a skill than your degree. A lot of people believe if I get a degree, I will be successful. But today, the world is different. There are people with degree who struggle to get hired, and others without degree who are earning millions. Why? Because today markets reward skills, value creation, problem solving, not just a certificate. For example, someone who knows digital marketing, editing videos, or selling product online can generate income, even without a degree. Reports show skill-based jobs are growing faster than traditional degree roles. So don't just chase certificates, build real, useful skills. The fact number 5, financial freedom requires sacrifice. Everyone wants financial freedom, but not everyone is willing to sacrifice. What kind of sacrifices? Spending less today, avoiding unnecessary luxuries, investing instead of consuming, and being patient. Let me give you an example. Instead of buying expensive clothes or new phones every year, some people invest that money. Years later, those small decisions create a huge difference. Many self-made millionaires live below their means in early years. The truth is, short-term sacrifice equals long-term freedom. Fact number 6. The rich stay rich by controlling expenses. It is not just about earning more, it's about managing what you spend on. Many people earn good money but still struggle. This is because they overspend, they follow lifestyle pressure, and they try to impress others. Meanwhile, wealthy people track their spending, avoid unnecessary expenses, and invest the difference. There is a powerful idea called lifestyle inflation. When income rises, spending rises too, and you got stuck. But the rich avoid this trap. They focus on control, saving, investing, and growing. Warren Buffett is the person who, despite being one of the richest people in the world, lives below his means. His net worth often over $100 billion. But he is renowned for extreme frugality, which allows him to reinvest his capital rather than wasting it on useless assets. Buffett has lived in the same 5-bedroom house in Omaha, Nebraska since 1958, which he bought for only $31,500, and he never failed to upgrade his lifestyle. The fact number 7. If you don't manage money, you will always struggle. It doesn't matter if you make $100 or $10,000. If you don't manage it well, you will struggle. Many people earn money and lose it just as quickly because they lack planning, discipline, and financial awareness. Managing money means budgeting, tracking income and expenses, and planning for future. Without management, money disappears. But with management, money grows. So these are the truths about money that most people learn too late. Work smart, not just hard. Learn about money yourself. Invest, don't just save. Focus on skills. Accept sacrifices. Control your expenses. And manage your money wisely. Remember, money is not about luck. It's about habits, knowledge, and decisions. If you change how you think about money today, your future can completely change. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Real Life Economics. Because here, we turn simple ideas into powerful life changes. And in the next video, we will go even deeper on how to start investing, even with a small amount of money.